What's up guys, this is MDP Gameplays and today we're unboxing Ryzen 5 2600 and not X, not overclocked, simple rate cooler. So let's dig into this. Let's open the package. Here's the seal. Oh, and then the MD logo is engraved with touch materials. Okay, what do we have here? We have some booklet of installation instructions. Okay, that was very useful. Put it aside. Here we go, the processor itself. The beautiful Ryzen 5 2600 processor. And here, and there's nothing in the package. We have the cooler. Oh damn, it looks so good. Damn son. Man, this cooler is bigger than I thought it would be. Got paste on it. Ooh, damn, this looks like really 100 times better than Intel. Yeah, they did a good job here. And maybe those chips is better than an Intel because they're sometimes just so awfully worse. So that's it. That was the Ryzen 2600 unboxing.